wait. There's no go.
Wala pang.
Guys, higa kayo. Ay, teacher, pahigain mo sila, teacher.
Wait lang! Wala pa rin! Warning ako sa green. Kanina pa ako green, dito! Si Miss Jenny ang kalaban nyo! Ako? Hinahanap ni Miss Jenny! Talo kayo ni Miss Jenny! Wala pa, ha? Position! Hindi ka mag-whistle?
Already na, ready na whistle. Position.
Walang trial, walang trial, final game. What's your sige yung maingay, hindi na Stop! Wait lang! Green team! Stop pulling in! So everybody, green team is set!
Green, ready?
Ready!
Ready?
Wait lang. Okay, green team, gray team, ganito gagawin na. Your goal is to pull the rope until this scarf reaches beyond your line. Dapat mo, kung ito yung line nyo, dapat yung scarf na dito. Lumagpas dun sa line. With gray, anak, dahil ito ang nandyan, kailangan dito yung scarf. Now, please, yes. Do not look at your arms. Tingnan yung arms ni Miss Ruby. Bawal niyong iikot yung hand niyo like this. Bawal ha? Hindi po pwede. Hindi pwede iikot yung hand niyo. Okay? Now, everybody, no trial game. This is the final game. Again, once the scarf reaches your line, beyond your line, ibig sabihin you're the winner. And then meron tayong win-win, lose-lose na game, okay? Focus. Don't worry, position. Ready? Ready? Green team. Yeah! 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Naku, may win to win pa yan.